Nag-effort ka sa application mo, nag-effort ka sa cover letter, sa resume, nag-customize ka ng mga lines, at saka nag-send ka, pero anong nangyari? Wala kang narinig sa clients. Yung feeling na tinext mo yung crush mo, pero sininzone ka lang. Pero teka lang. Baka naman hindi ikaw ang problema. Kasi baka naman ang problema is yung last line na ginamit mo. So today, keep watching till the end of this video. Bibigyan kita ng last line na pwede mong gamitin para hindi ka baliwalain ng client sa application process. So if you're ready, grab your pen, grab your paper, and let's get started. Alright guys, so here's the big problem. Most freelancers end their applications in a weak way, right? What do I mean? Here's some 3 examples of bad closing lines. Number 1, let me know if you're interested. So the client goes, meh, maybe later, maybe yes, no, I don't know, maybe so, right? Number 2, I look forward to hearing from you. This sounds formal, but it's also quite passive. And number 3, I hope we can work together. Hope, not a strategy. All right, guys, so here's the secret. Clients actually don't reply unless you give them a reason to do so, right? Remember that. And this is exactly what this next phrase does. I'd love to send over a quick idea for specific problem. Would you be open to a quick chat about this? So this phrase does 3 powerful things at once. Let's break it down. Number 1, it gives the clients an easy way for the next step. By saying, would you be open to a quick chat? It's a quick and easy next step for the client that they can easily say yes to, no commitment, and they have an idea that they might want to learn. Which leads into number 2, it makes them curious. By saying you have an idea on how you can improve something, it makes them wonder what is the idea and how can it be implemented. And third thing is it shifts the conversation from a generic application to an actual collaboration. Now, they're thinking about working with you. All right, so here's what's happening here. Instead of waiting for the client to reply to you with your generic and then boring closing lines, what now happens is this makes clients want to reply to you to know more about your idea. And that, my friends, is the difference between getting ignored and actually getting hired. All right, so for example, you're applying for a social media manager position. And then in the job post, you see that they're looking for engagement, and then they're looking for more traffic from their social media. In your closing line, you can say something like, I'd love to send over a quick idea for boosting your social media engagement rates. Would you be open to a quick chat about this? So by doing this, it shows that, again, you've read and then are an expert about what they need help with, and then offering it to them that you have an idea, helping them with that specifically makes them curious and makes them want to reply to you and say, okay, maybe we can set up a time, right? All right, so here's my challenge for you. Take a look at your proposal or job application, and I'd like you to delete the ending, the boring last line that you have, and replace it with that custom line. I'd love to send over a quick idea about something specific. Would you be open to a chat about this? So try it, send it out, customize it for each of your application, and let me know in the comments how that helped you out. Did it get you more people wanting to talk to you? Did you just waste your time? I'd love to know. Share in the comments and then we'll read them, and then maybe we'll also react to them. All right. So now that you have the last closing line for your portfolio and your application, what happens next? Typically, you'd want to get into an interview. And if you're interested in the next set of videos we have, I'm gonna teach you the 10 words that set the tone for a winning interview. So if you're somebody that's shy or somebody that gets nervous during client interviews, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, turn on those notifications, and I'll see you on the next one.